Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo tag contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. So let me choose the contact without the photo, so for example this one. Then let's tap on edit right in the middle and tap on this camera icon. Now you can either take a photo or choose a photo from the gallery. If you will choose take a photo, your device will immediately open the camera app and you will be able to take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. I'll choose something from the gallery. Let me pick this one and tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. Now in this step you can zoom in or out the photo, you can also change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the tick icon to confirm, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.